Hello, this is um, this is my tutorial for a Lego puzzle box, I think. Yeah, you take a 4x4 plate. I took four 4x2s, but it doesn't matter. Then you place these pieces, kind of a couch and something in the corner of it. Place it like that, and here place a 2x1 maybe. I didn't have no. 1x2 here, 1x1 here. Take a 2x2 there. Two flat 2x1s here. Place it like that. Then you slide that in. 2x2 and a 2x2 smooth. Your little key will be this. Then place 2x2s maybe around there, and on top of that you wanna take a 4x2 smooth piece there, another 4x2, and then you place 1x1 with hole, smooth 2x1 smooth there, and then 1x1. I didn't have it. That 1x2 there. Take a 2x2 there and 2x2 there. Price is 2x1 and 1x1 smooth bomb. And yeah, this red piece is supposed to be black for better, but I didn't have any. Right, and then you take a 2x1 and a 2x1 smooth. Place it here, and then a roof. I took two flat pieces. Whatever. Take something like for a roof, and there you go. Thanks for watching.